I'm Marilyn Forebaugh, and I came in because I was having tingling down my arm, which turned out to be pinched nerves in my neck. About 7 years ago, I had terrible neck and arm pain. I went to physical therapy. It sort of helped. So then 2 years ago, it flared up again, and it was uncomfortable. My arm would start to be numb when I wanted to do things. I would be reading and drop my book. So my family nurse practitioner said, you need to go to Dr. Gluck.
Well, when I met Marilyn, I was convinced that she had something wrong with her neck, based on, and her arm obviously, based on her history. Very common condition of pinched nerves in the neck with radiation into the arm. And she also obviously relayed to me that she had tried, some non-surgical treatment in the past, and it was very clear that, she had a problem that could be fixed.
I'd encountered no one here who wasn't helpful and positive and wanting me to have the best. They met with my daughters and husband to explain what needed to happen next. I mean, my care here and the surgery was wonderful.
The surgery went great. I mean, we had an excellent result. Everything, I was very pleased with how it went during the operation itself. And I have to say the post-recovery and the post-op recovery and care that patients get here is outstanding. I mean, we've spent a couple years developing the spine program and doing in-services and training for the staff, and so what you're experiencing now is kind of the culmination of all this effort that's put in by the hospital and the administration.
Well, it gives you such confidence that there is no better care, that everything is up to date. The fact that doctor is still affiliated with UC San Francisco, I really appreciate, having gone to school in San Francisco myself and knowing the great medical care there is there. We are so fortunate to have the medical center here that's doing such good work for us.
The donations that are made by the community members and the foundation purchasing the microscope enabled me to do Marilyn's surgery. Prior to that, there was a microscope here that was dated. It wasn't functional for neck surgery or spine surgery. Since obtaining that microscope, I've operated on tens or maybe even hundreds of patients at this point. It's been 2 years since we've been doing this, and again, I'm just very grateful because I wouldn't have been able to do it without the microscope.
My family moved to Merced County about 60 years ago, and the reputation of medical care was not good at that time. The difference between the 60s and the 2022s is phenomenal. The new hospital with the care and the connections they've made, like with UC Davis and the Cancer Center, are all such a benefit to our community. I can't tell you how proud I am of the fact that the hospital is here and we all can get the care we need. I'm Marilyn Forebaugh, and I'm a grateful patient of Mercy Medical Center in Merced.